Hello folks, welcome to the Rockwood Mountain Garden. Today we are going to be planting some peas, sugar snap peas. Today is the 7th of March. Spring is around the corner, birds are chirping. So we're going to plant some peas today. Let me get my seed pack here. Get everything ready. Here we go. These seeds are old, so I'm going to plant them a little bit thicker than normal. As you can see, I've done raked these leaves back to expose the soil. All of this was covered on top of that. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take and make a small trench. Right through here. Like that right there. You take these peas. I'm going to kind of sow them a little thick. Because these are an old seed. The germination rate on these might not be as good as a new seed, but we're going to see. Okay. This packet is S319. There you are. Yeah, S319. It's a sugar snap pea. It's from Gurney's. I've had these for years. Now, okay, right here I have some homemade compost. This is last year's. And I'm going to cover this up with this homemade compost. Let's go get some more. Now my compost is made with biochar mixed in with it. So what I do, as I'm making my compost, I take and add biochar to it, which that inoculates the compost. Now I'm going to tamp it down. Make sure the seed has a good contact with the soil. Now, let me go get a label. Okay. You'll notice that I've got my label. It's the ID number 120. The seed pack is S319. On the other side, it's got my ID number. It's got peas. It's got the date. So I'm going to put this at here at the end of the row. Now, I'm going to put a light covering of leaves on this. Just a real light covering. And folks, there it is. That's how we take and plant peas in a no-till garden. Okay, folks, hope you enjoyed this episode. It's short on how to my first planting of spring peas in the garden, and just take and if you can use any part of this, that's great. If you can't, well, you know, this is just my experience. So I hope you have a great day, a great gardening year,